at least this video didn't turn out like the last video I did down here. It was just a mess. Like everything you could possibly think about just went wrong. And today, everything you could possibly think about went right. All right. It's a little too dark. Hold on. Yo, whoa. Huh? Little girl messed me up. Hold on, try that again. Yo, what's going on, guys? I am downtown. I got the little munchkin with me because it's daddy-daughter, week, huh? And
yeah, we saw one thing on the list today.
Okay. And I basically got a pair of shoes, these Superman 4s. And I don't know much about them. I will know much about them when I do the unboxing part of this, but I'm doing the on foot first, and I'll go back to that. But we're gonna take a walk and then we're gonna get a treat somewhere. Is that cool?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'm not coming for you. So I never walked this far down the street, but we seen like some kind of gathering or something going on down here. We're just gonna go check it out because it's like, you know, it's activity. Look at the Humpty Dumpties up there. You see them? I don't really know what it is, but there's a lot of colors and rainbows, and it might be a little prideish down there, and that's totally cool. I got love for everybody. You know, I'm Mr. Peace and Love, but you're holding my hand a little tighter. Oh, it's gonna be okay, boo-boo. All right. Which flavor do you want? We'll get you a medium, whatever you want.
Medium?
Yeah. Is it all one flavor?
Nope, you choose all of your own down there.
Oh,
There's
there
a bunch
they
of different ones.
Do you have napkins?
Yes.
I want blue raspberry and cotton candy.
Blue raspberry cotton candy?
Uh-huh.
Thanks. Got it? You good? Sure? All right.
It is the one, the only, it's Tina Burner! Make some noise if you're part of the LGBTQIA plus community. Can I get a yes, queen?
But
All right, let's do
with
this.
us, she would run right to the Red Bull.
Yeah. Alrighty then. So I had to get up out of there because, like I was saying before, there's nothing wrong with what they got going over there, but I got the little one with me, and it probably wasn't the best environment for her. I mean, really me neither, but I'm an adult, I can deal with it. And it actually looked like they were having a good time over there, you know what I'm saying? I ain't mad at that. So at least she got an icy out of it, or a freezy, whatever that is, a little $10 freezy. But we're gonna find one little spot, maybe right here, something out of the rain, because now we're getting rained on. We're gonna eat the rest of these shots, and we're gonna call it a day. Yeah, let's just do it right here. How about right here? Under this? Yeah, see under this? That should work. Oh, you just dropped that joint like that? Dang, boo-boo. That almost got on my shoe. Look how close my shoe was to that. And that's right there.
Oh, you crushed it.
Right, is that a big old clock? Am I just now realizing it? That is a clock. Watch out, Lou. Come on, boo. All right, so, huh? I see all the Humpty Dumpties, boo. I see them all. Yeah, man, I'm pretty much done. It's raining. I got to get her up out this rain. We got to go get some food, and we're back to the house. But As far as the shoes, I think they're dope, and I would say they're pretty appropriate for that, event that they were having down here. The colors are pretty much on point for the theme that they had going on down there, if you know what I'm talking about. So shout out to all of that. They even got the street painted up. Huh?
That one up there is skiing.
That one's skiing?
Yeah.
There's like Humpty Dumptys all around this town. But that's it, guys. I got to get her out of this wetness, and we'll be good. Come on, boo. Let's change. Let's cross the street. Come on. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.
All right, peace and love for sure. And again, peace and love to everybody, and that's all I'm gonna say. So we got the Doernbecher 4s today, and for some reason I was looking for something related to Nate Robinson, and it wasn't. These were made by, what was his name, Isaiah Scott, and Isaiah Scott is part of the Doernbecher. I don't know if he's even in there now, but Doernbecher does a lot of like research for kids that have like these rare diseases and stuff like that. And Nike was nice enough to pull up and let them make their own shoes, from Jordan 4s to foams to all sorts. And me personally, I've never been too crazy about them, not because that they look like a kid designed them, which they did. It's because that they were so out of reach and out of touch to get as a normal sneakerhead back in the day. So I just was like, whatever, they're cool. And here's me pulling these up on StockX, and I wanted to show you guys that right there. I was just curious how the lineup and the shape of these compare. Right now my size is about, I think it was like 2,300 for a 9.5, and it looked like a size 8 was going for about 1,800. So these are still priced very highly. Anything over 1,000 for me is out of my reach personally. That's kind of why I don't really buy designer sneakers and all that stuff, but these are actually pretty dope. And to get them from good old, gotta love those guys. It's amazing that these came out. These were originally released in 2011. Like, I don't know why they're coming out now, but I think it's super dope, and I'm glad I had a pair. And even when they re-released on the, I'll just say the IG market, I didn't go crazy then. I was like, oh, those Nate Robinson shoes, okay, they're okay. But no, when you get them in hand, they're way, 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 way better. The colors, I love it. The quality, I love it. I don't have anything to compare these to, no reference point. But I'm just going to say that these are dope. I give them style-wise. For me, I'm boring Colo. I'm boring monotone Colo. So I'll probably, you're going to be like, what? Yes, I'm probably going to take these neon green laces out and just put regular black laces in them and keep it like that if I'm going to wear them when I want to wear them. I don't know what that says on the bottom. Hold on. Right there on the heel, that's Isaiah, the creator of the shoe. And if you look at the green and all that stuff, that represents the kryptonite from Superman, which I think it's funny because the whole shoe is like a Superman themed suit, but they put the green laces for the kryptonite. That's dope. So shout out to Isaiah for that. And as far as the tongue, that Superman tongue, they actually got permission from Warner Brothers to do that, which I thought was pretty dope as well. Shout out to Warner Brothers for doing that. Insole is nothing special. It does look like the Kate part of it. Yellow Jumpman on it. That's pretty cool as well. And I thought they're well executed. The up and down arrows represent the changes in life and the ups and downs that you have in life. And that's what they said. I'm not making this stuff up. I know I make stuff up all the time, but I'm not making this stuff up. So yeah, air bubble looks good. Everything looks good. Let's look at the black light. I know on the black shoes, it's a little harder to spot things, but I'm usually looking for stamps in that. Okay, so this is all that I really found. Not much there. No stamps on the bottom. And that's about it. A little something on the toe, but that can probably be actually wiped off if you really go for it. I'm probably not, but I am going to take the kryptonite laces out and put some regular black ones in. And that's it, guys. Peace, love, and light. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing